Hey, and welcome to Adventure North. The stock wheels on the 450mt are great for adventure riding, just not for hard off-road and Romaniacs. So today we're gonna fix that. The stock wheels on the 450mt are actually impressive for the price of this bike. I mean, you get tubeless spoked wheels, strong enough for travel, gravel and off-road. For everyday riding, they are more than capable. But when you start pushing the bike into harder terrain, the limitations appear fast. The tubeless design limits your Enduro tire options, and the rotating weight makes the front end feel heavier than it needs to be in technical terrain. Reducing rotational mass has a bigger impact than removing static weight. Every gram you take off and the wheels accelerate and turns easier and makes the bike more responsive in slow technical sections where you constantly need to change direction. And when you look at Enduro tire options for the stock rims, it's a bit like dating in a tiny village. I mean, technically you have options, but not really. I'm updating because I want this bike to handle terrain far beyond normal adventure riding. I want real traction, real tire choice, and lower rotating weight, the things that matter the most when you start riding enduro lines on an adventure bike. And since I'm preparing the 450mt for Red Bull Romaniacs, I need a setup that handles low pressure, sharp impact, and an aggressive riding without worrying about the rims. After looking at what's available for the 450mt, I narrowed it down to two realistic options: Haan wheels and SOS racing parts. Haan wheels is the practical and efficient option. They take your original hubs, which are already good, and build XL rims on them with stainless steel spokes and professional assembly. Nothing fancy, just a strong and reliable wheel set that works for real off-road. Haan Wheels is based in the Netherlands and has been building wheels for over 30 years. Their wheels are used in MXGP, Dakar and hard enduro by riders like Graham Jarvis. So the durability and the long-term performance is very well proven. SOS Racing Parts take a more premium and heavy-duty approach for the 450mt. They build complete wheel sets with brand new CNC-machined hubs made from 7050 aluminium. An alloy chosen for its high strength to weight ratio and resistance to deformation under repeated load cycles. The wheel uses stainless steel spokes, CNC machined nipples and XL rims, just like the Haan setup. But here you're getting an entire new hub system that's stronger, stiffer and more precise. I mean, both solutions work well if you want to open the possibilities to run proper enduro tires. SOS Racing Parts is a smaller company based in Denmark, focused on high-strength components for enduro, motocross and rally. Their wheels are used by several Nordic enduro teams and rally builders, which also why they offer a lifetime warranty on the hubs. There's also another option you'll see online, wheels from Uncle Wang, but the information about those hubs, the materials and the rim profile and the long-term durability is extremely limited, so I didn't include them as a serious option for this build. I ended up choosing the SOS Racing Parts wheel set. Not because the original hubs are bad, they are actually really good, but because I want this bike ready for the kind of abuse you see at the Romaniacs. The CNC machined hubs, the stainless spokes, the CNC nipples, and the lifetime warranty give me peace in mind when I start hitting rocks at low pressure. This setup is simply built for hard enduro conditions. SOS also machines their hubs for the 450mt, so the original brake disc and the ABS rings bolt straight on without shims, adapters or alignment issues. So that's great. Everything mounts exactly to factory spec. And another reason is that I want to keep my original wheels for road riding. I also adding Tubliss, which turns tube tires into tubeless, with the benefits with low tire pressure and easy repairs on the trails. The high pressure inner bladder clamps the bead harder than any tube ever can, which stabilizes the tire under load and protects the rim edge from direct impact. This makes it possible to run really low tire pressure and for more traction and a larger, more compliant contact patch. Since there are no tube, pinch flats are gone, and the chance of denting the rim is much lower. It's also about 1 kilo lighter compared to a tube setup with a heavy-duty tube. Being able to run proper enduro tires at low PSI should make a massive difference on the climbs I've been training for. I mean, this won't turn the 450mt into a full race bike, but it does make it much more capable and something that I realistically can bring to Romaniacs. Next step is to get these wheels on the bike and test them properly. The bike keeps getting better every week. Now it's just the rider that needs an upgrade. Drop a comment below and tell me, would you have chosen Haan or SOS for a hard off-road build? I'm curious how you would build your 450mt. I'm currently working on a new video regarding the suspension upgrade. I will go through and show you different kind of upgrades that are available for the 450mt and which one I choose for my bike. And it's currently being installed, so when the video drops, hopefully I can tell you how the upgrade behaves on the trails and on the gravel roads. So see you in the next one. Ride safe. Bye.